What are the reasons why you should not represent yourself in court? Where do I even begin? Famous quote is that only a fool has himself for his own client. I don't mean that in a disrespectful way. I'm trying to be funny. But first of all, unless you're an attorney, you're not going to understand the rules of civil procedure or the rules of evidence, which are crucial in court. Court in an injury case is not like small claims court on TV. You don't just stand up and talk for a few minutes about what happened and ask the jury to award you money. A jury is only allowed to hear what the judge allows them to hear through properly admitted and authenticated evidence. And for lay people meaning non-attorneys, people who are not in the courts for their professions, it is extremely challenging to do that without the assistance or the representation of an actual attorney. Plenty of people are smart. I have plenty of extremely sharp clients who are perfectly capable of understanding, analyzing, and strategizing their cases with me. And I appreciate that. That's fantastic. The more smart minds we have in the room, the better. But once we get into court, the attorney's job, my job, is to use everything that we've developed along the way with your case and make sure we get everything we want in court, and equally, if not more important, anything we don't want excluded from the trial. You need to know the rules of evidence, so if there's something damaging, something irrelevant, something in your medical past that's unrelated to our claims but might make us look bad, we want to be able to keep that out. So, very important. It's not simply standing up, being eloquent and preaching and talking to the jury. Hey, good orators, whether they're attorneys or non-attorneys, are a dime a dozen. Plenty of people have the gift of gab. You need to have the brains to be able to control what makes it into the courtroom. That's what's most important. So those are the main reasons why I think you should never try to represent yourself. Even if you're an attorney, you shouldn't represent yourself. That would be my take. But in any event, if you want to talk about your situation, I'm happy to. Chat with us through our website at trialpro.com. Feel free to call me or any of my colleagues at 1-800-TRIAL-PRO. Thank you.